Hello, magandang umaga mga kapatid. Kagagaling lang natin magtrabaho. Kararating lang natin sa bahay, ang kalat. Samahan niyo ako sa maghapon kong gawain ngayon. Katapos ng trabaho. Pero bago ako magligpit, papahinga muna tayo dahil pagod tayo sa trabaho. Ayan, wala na yung dalawang makulit, kaya magliligpit tayo mamaya. Mga kapatid, maglalabada muna ako, ano muna ako ng magsasalang muna ako ng labahin para paggising ko, because it takes time, it takes 30 minutes nga malpas na ito. So yun na, maalikabok. 30 minutes na matatapos ito. So habang nag-i-spin natutulog muna ako. Ganyan ang gawain ng mga taga-Hawaii. Time is gold. Yan lang mga kapatid. Tamang-tama pagkatapos nito, mga 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Tapos isasampay ko. Tamang-tama magsusundo ako ng estudyante. Then itutuloy ko na naman ang matutulog. Ganyan ang panggabi. Walang anong panggabi ka. Sanayan lang yan. Sanayan lang pag working mom ka. Hindi naman pwedeng umupo ka lang dyan. Yan, hiwa-hiwalay muna. Hiwalay yung decolor. Ay. Ayan. Maghihintay tayo ng 30 minutes. Okay. Balikan ko kayo. Thank you very much.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone. Ngayon, kagigising lang natin. Magpipick up. Pipick up tayo ng estudyante. Sunod-sunod naman ang mga text na yan. Pipick up tayo ngayon. Busy ang nadaan. Nagigising lang natin. So, aray ko, naipit ko rin ako. Ay. Ay, agmuryo tan datay pick up pun. My goodness. Tidak pa ag-giveaway mo dagito yung driver. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Maski walang manonood, mag-upload pa rin ako. Hi. Yung pamangkin ko. Hello? Coming?
Mom,
Yes.
are you coming?
Yeah, I'm on the stoplight already. Okay, just stay there.
I'm just walking around.
No need walk around.
You're gonna see friends?
No, I'm here already. Coming. I'm by the stoplight.
Wait,
I'm by the stoplight.
just tell me where.
Where you stay? Hindi na makapaghintay kaya naglakad. Oh, ano ba yan?
I told you I'm walking around.
Where? Don't walk around. I cannot put the kind. Where to park? It's hard to park over there. Yung anak ko nag ano.
Try the office, okay?
Yeah, okay. Just wait for me. Okay, bye. Okay, just turn it off. Yun na makapaghintay. Just turn it off.
Wait.
Mommy's coming.
You need to wait when you're here.
Yeah, over there. I'm coming. I'm going inside. Oh no. I don't know. So, kira ko na to.
You here yet?
Yes, I'm here. You see? It's busy.
You say you're here, but then you're like 15 minutes away.
15 minutes. Yeah, it's 15 minutes.
Bro, I don't even see you.
I'm here. Look. By the entrance. Mainit. Maski naka aircon. Oh.
Go inside of the office.
Okay. Come out already. Come out now. Come out. Hello. How's your day?
Fine.
Fine. We go pick up. We go Kaiser, yeah. I just pick up the kind.
Can I stay in the car?
What is today?
Friday. The
Oh, so you guys start the full break? Huh? Are you on full break already?
Yeah.
I seen Roman.
I don't care.
You don't care? Why you don't care people now? Before you care, now you don't care people.
I
Huh?
don't care at all.
You don't care at all. Why? You just like mommy. Yeah. Okay, I come back. Thank you guys.
Don't put that on.
Oh my god.
Cannot even do it.